Alright. We are going to play with a Tier 8 cruiser called the Admiral Hipper. Yeah, let's try ability 61. You got some decent little armor on the side. Take out the outer skirt. And you got fucking 80 millimeters behind that. All that fun shit. And let's see what we got. You got 203 millimeter artillery. There's 8 barrels you're looking at. You know, like the Sharn horses, like, oh fuck, what was it, 280 something for a battleship? So it doesn't, 283. There's not much smaller guns when it comes to Hipper, and there's only a 12, I think, 12.1 second reload time. That's pretty good. It's actually a really good cruiser. Plus, you got 6 torpedoes on each side. So you got a total of 12 torpedoes. Like Sharn horse, you only have, shiny horse, whatever the fuck you want to call it, only has 6 total, 3 on each side. Yeah, Turpin's got 4 on each side. Yeah, and that's about it for that. So we're gonna play this. You kind of play it almost not. You got to be patient with it. It doesn't have the armor like a battleship does, so you can't play it like a battleship. It's but the size of the fucking shiny horse though. Not quite as big, a little more maneuverability, but you can't get up close range like you can with some of them, like playing a fucking destroyer. So you got to kind of hang back, throw some long shots at them. If you get close enough to them, strike them down with the fucking torpedoes. Now I'm just going to play some co-op, and we're going to see how that's going to go. I'm going to play a little more offensive with this. Well, we got some tier 9s and tier 10s. Go probably to E6, that island, just kind of hold up there. Just wait for something to come around the other side. This map is not the best. Go ahead and turn my guns to starboard side. There's already a ship over there burning. I'll be honest with you, I haven't played this map in a long time. My favorite map is Two Brothers, the one little river in between the two. So I like to go up there and just shoot torpedoes right down through that and run away. My old favorite thing to do. I don't know what's. I'm not actually using my mouse today, so I don't know what the fuck these buttons are even do. And we'll go on the inside of this island and just sit here and chillax and wait. I should have went to the should have went outside and then through that way. But I'm not going to. Too late now. Looks like a destroyer already has the same idea I do. Running at about 32 knots. Well, one of our guys is already dead.
Massive storm moving in.
Do the same thing this guy's going to do.
Enemy destroyer foundered.
I don't know how I actually got that kill, but okay. Set him on fire. Here we go. That kill. Oh, there's a battleship. Look at that. Izumo? Yes, it is. Ah, too far in front. This son of a bitch.
Our team has taken the lead.
Uh-oh, the smoke's disappearing. We're just gonna shoot a couple right through here. Hopefully our guy gets the fuck out of the way.
Our victory is in sight.
What happened to all of them? Getting ready to throw some torps. Oh, fuck. Okay.
Our victory is in sight.
I only got one kill. Awesome. Fucking Shimakaze or whatever the hell his name is.
That was a great battle.
It'll be over by the time I even see him. If you get out of the way. Shit. Sorry.
Don't fire at your allies.
A disciplinary penalty was imposed on you for friendly fire.
Oh, discipline. Discipline. Jesus, that's my name. I'm now pink, motherfuckers. Damn, they upped the fine. That was half my fucking money, dude. That's gay as shit, yo. Ah. Fuck.